Does the dog go with it?
Yeah.
The dog does not go with it.
The dog does not go with it.
The dog does not go with it. Sound bug.
Now you get 2 of them. About to get 5 here. 5, now the bird, now 5, bird, now 5, 5, in the month, 3, now the bird, 3, now the month, now 3, where? 2, now the month, 4, now 4, now the bird, now 4, 4, 3, 4, then the bottom gets 4, where? Now 4, y'all like, yes, are you? 3, now the bit, yes, sir, that's where I'm at. Well, I'm over there, $3, $4, you're out. Now 5, then 5, now 6, now 7, 6, now the bird, now 7, 7, 6, now the bit.
1,000. Where you going to find another one? $1,000. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. You get 500 every way, get 500. 500, 500, 2. Here we go. 100, now 2, now 2, 2. It's got 100 on reel 2, now 3, 3, 3, now 300, 200, get 300. Hit 200, now 3, 3, 3, now 200, 3, now 300. Hit 200, now 3, now 3, 3, 2 and a half, 300. Hit 200, now 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 300, get 3 and a half. Hit 300, get 3 and a half, 300, get 3 and a half, 300, get 350. Hit 300, get 300, that cups will flow away, will you? That's 300, 3 and a half. Hit now 5, now 400. Hit 3 and a half, get 4, 4, 4, now 3 and a half, get 400. Hit 350, 375, 400. Hit 4, now half, 4 and a quarter. Hit 4, get 425, get 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, now half, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, 450. Hit 450, get 475, now 475. Hit 450, get 475, 475, 450, get 475. Hit 500, 500, now 505. Even money, 500. Hit 505, now 500. It's close to home, 500. Hit 475, 555, now 475, 500. Hit 475, 500, 500, 500, 500. Quarter. Hit 5 and a quarter, 520, 5 and a quarter. Hell, the dog likes it, 5 and a quarter. Hit 500, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, now half, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, 550. Hit 5 and a quarter, now 5 and a half, 5 and a half, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, 550. 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 550. Anybody else? 550. I have soaked your way, 5 and a quarter.
90.
92. All right, I'll get this right there. Get $300 there to 300.
We're not selling.
Hit 3, 3, 3, 3. Of course we are. 300, 200. Hit 2, 2, 2, now 2, 2, give 100. And $100 there. Now quarter, 125, 125, 150, 150, 175. Hit 175. No sir, 150 to 175. Now 2, 2, 2, 2. Now quarter. Hit 2, 2 and a quarter. Down half, 2 and a half, 250. Hit 225 to 250. That's the dog. 250. Hit 225 to 250. Now 250. Now 225. Hit 250. Now 225. 50. Now 250. Hit 275. Look, 275. Now 275. Now 275. Now 275. Hit 275. Now 275. 250. Get 275. Hit mark by is 250.
You don't mess with the dog. He'll be.
All right, lot number 33. Lot number 33 on your 4 3.2 bottom. Hey, nice little deal right there. Who gets $200 there? 200. Hit 2, 2, 2, 2. Now 200, now 200, now 200, now 200, now who give 100? 50, 75, hit 50, now 100, now 100, now 100, now quarter, 100 to 125, 100 now 50, now 150, 125, 150, 125, 150 to 150, 150 to 150, 125, 150, now 175, 175, 175, 175, 150 now 175, now 150 to 175, 175, 175, 150 to 175, 175, your way, Andy, 150, 209, 209. All right, on your 3-point killer right there, guys. That's what you're going to buy. And it'll get $700 there. 7, get 500.
Big boy.
500, 102. 102, now 2, 100, get 2, now 2, get 200. Hit $200, hit 2, now 3, now 4. Hit 400, 4, now 4, get 3.5. Hit 300, get 4, 4, 4, now half, now 4.5. Hit 500, 5, now 5, now 5, 4.5, get 500. Hit 4.5, now 500, 500, 500, 4.5. You want to be 475. Hit 4.5, 475.
475.
475. Hit 4.5, 475, 500, 500, 500. Hit 475, 500, now 500, 475, 500, 475, 500, 500. I have sold your way 475. Right there, what's the lot number? Man.
49.
49. All right, on your hay rake right there, $500 there, 500, 500, 3. Oh, 303, now 303, now 3, now 3, get 3, now 3, get 275. Here we go. Now 100, now quarter, 125, 125, 100, a quarter, 150, 150, 125, 150, 125, 150, 150, 150, 125, 150, 150, 150, 125, 150, 150, 150. I have sold your way 125. Take a little spreader right there, guys. Leave it to John Deere or an Oliver.
It's an Oliver.
It's an Oliver. All right, there you go. Get $500 there. 500, 5, get 3. Whoop, 333 now, 333 down, 303 down, 3. What do you want to pay? Get 300. Whoop, 33, got 2 and a quarter. Hit 200, get 2 and a quarter there. 25 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter. Hit 2 and a quarter, now half, 2 and a half, 275, Dan, 275. Hit 3, now quarter. Hit 3 and a quarter, now half, 3 and a half, 350. Hit 350, 375, now 375, 4, now 400. Hit 375, 4, now 375, 400. Hit 4, now 375, 4, now 375, 400. 400. I have sold your way 375. All right, 54 is your lot on your John Deere 14T Baler. Hey, just buy what you see right there, guys. Don't know a thing about it. All right, hook you 500 on there, 500. Hit 500 to buy, get 300. Hit 3, now 300, now 300. Get 300 on there, 3.
Zane unload this too?
Do what now?
Zane, did he unload it?
Probably. 300. Hit 3, there, 3, get 200, be away, get 200. Hit 200, 100 a quarter. I don't know what 25, I'm 125, I'm gonna get 125, 125, 125. I don't know 125, 100 a quarter there, 125, 125, 125. Get 125, I'm gonna get 125, 125, 125. 100, I get 125, 100 a quarter there, 125, 125, 125. Your way, $100.
177.
177. Lot number is 14, right?
Yep.
Number 414 on your yard art. All right, here we go. $200 here. 200. Give $100. $100 here. Give 100. Give 100. Give 100. Give 100. Give 100. Give 100. Give 50. If $50 here, 50. 25. 50. If 50, that's 75. 75. If 75. 75. If 75. If 50 on 75. 75. Now 75. Now 50 on 75. 60. 70. It's 70. 70. 70. That's 70. Now 80. 80. Now 80. Now 80. 80. Now 90. Give 90. Give 90. 90. Now 100. In 100. Give 100. 90. Give 100. In 100. Give 100. The wheels are worth more than that. 90. Give 100. Give 100 on 90. In 100. Give 100. 90. Give 100. $100. Yes or no? 100. I have sold it right here. $90. 404. I'll remember that. 404. Hey, lot number 38, J&M. Look at that gear. Looks pretty good. All right, right there you go. $1,500 here. 15, 15, 15, sound box. Hit 1,000, 500, 600. Hit 500, 600, 500, 600. Hit 5, now 7, 800, 800, 700, give 800. It's 700 to 800, 800, give 800, 700, give 800. It's 700 to 800, give 800, 7 half, 800. That's 7 half, no 800, no 800, give 800. Who's in? It's 7 half, no 800. I took Mike, 7 half, 800, 800, Dan, 800, now half, 8 and a half, 8 and a half, Mike, 8 and a half. 800, give 8 and a half, 800, give 8 and a half, 8 and a half, 800, give 8 and a half, 8 and a half, 850, 800, give 8 and a half. Your way, $800. Nice little Harrow right here. Got a lot number? 1. Lot number 1. Lot number 1. Right there you go. Who gives $700 there? 700. It's 777, get 500, now 2, 1, 2, 100, another 2, 2, you know how to hurt a guy, 100, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, now 4, Stevie 4, it's 300, get 4, and 3 and a half, 4, now half, it's 400, 4 and a half, I've been up here, you're all out, 400, 4 and a half, it's 400, 4 and a half, now 5, now half, it's 500, 5 and a half, 500, 5 and a half, Dan, I'm right straight back from Mr. Myers, 5 and a half, now 600, it's 600, 5 and a half, get 600, 5 and a half, get 600, it's 5 and a 6, now half, 6 and a half, it's 600, now 6 and a half, now your other guy's out, 6 and a half, it's 600, now 6 and a half, 6 and a half, 600, get 6 and a half, 650, 6 and a half. I have sold your way, Andy, $600, 209. Lot number 1 on that first gravity wagon right there. Yeah, that's what you're going to buy. $800 there, 800. 800, 500, be away, get 500. Hit 500, 200, 300, here we go. 3, 4, 4, now 4, now 5. Hit 400, now 5, now 5, now 5, now 4, next 5, now 5, now 500. Hit 500, those are now 4, now 4 and a half. And now half, now 500. Hit 4 and a half to 500, now 5, now 4 and a half, get 500. Hit 4 and a half to 500, 500. Will be 475. Get not 500, Andy, get 500. Hit 475, 555, now 475, 500, 500, 475, 5. Hit quarter. Hit 5 and a quarter there, 525 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 525 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter. I have sold your way, Andy, $500, 209, 209. Same lot number on this one. Hey, a little different story. Look how nice this one is. And $1,500 here, 1,500. Yeah, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 500, 7.5. Hit 500, 600, now 7, 800, 800, now 700, 800, 9. 800, get 900, 900, 900, now $1,000. Hit 900, give $1,000, 1,000, 900, give $1,000. Hit 900, now 9.5, now 1,000. Hit 950, give $1,000, 950, get $1,000. Hit 950, now 1,000, anybody else, $1,000. Hit 950, give $1,000, 950, get $1,000. $1,000, 1,000,
975.
975, now $1,000. Hit 970, now he's bad. $975, $1,000. Hit 975, $975, $1,000, $975, $1,000. I have soaked away 975.
218.
218. Hey, on that rotary rig, guys. Hey, little different story here. Come a nice piece. And he'll get $3,000 here, 3,000. He is $3,000 here, he's bringing down $3,000 here. You get two. It's $2,000 do $7.5. It's $7,500, not $12.5. Not $12.5, $1,500, not $17.5. He's in the whack, $1,500, $17.5. It's $1,500, $17.5, $17.5, $1,500, $17.5, $17.5, $15, it's $15, $1,600, $16, $15, now $16, now $16, now $1,600. It's $15, now $1,600, now $17, $17, now $17. It's $1,700, $16, $17, $17, $18, $1,800, get $18, now $18, now $18, $17, get $18. It's $1,900, get $19, it's $2,000, it's $2,000, get $2,200, now $19, $2,100, it's $2,100, get $21, $2,100, it's $21, how about the other guy, $2,100, it's $21, $2,000, get $21, $2,000, get $2,100, yes sir, $21, now $2, it's $2,200, get $22, $3, what's $23, $22, get $2,300, it's $22, now $3, now $22, get $2,300, it's $22, $3, now $3, everybody happy, $22, get $2,300, get $23, I have soaked away $2,200.
312.
What?
312.
312. That was lot 59.
Lot 60.
Lot 60. On your AC 1300 Field Cultivator right there, guys. Hey, right there you go. Hook it 2,500 there. 25. And 25, 25, 25, 25. Get $2 grand. Get $2,000. Get $2,000. Get $2,000. Get $2,000. Get $2,000. Get $1,000. Get $1,000. No, there's no $1,000. Get $1,000. Get $1,000. Get $500. 500. Get $500. 500. 500. If I have a 500, what do I pay? If I have a 100, 2, 1, 2, 3, now 4. It's 4, now 300, 400, now 4, now 300, 400. It's 304, yes sir, 300, 400. It's 3, now 4, yes sir, you want 3.5. It's 300, 3.5, 3.5.
We're in, right?
It's 300, 3.5. It's 300, 3.5, 300, 3.5, 300, 3.5. It's 300, 350. It's 300, 3.5, 350, 300, 3.5. You're weighing $300. Dano.
218.